Welcome to Poli 343, titled Introduction to Political Research. The course is to give you the tools with which you do research within a university environment. I am Professor A. Isuman Johnson of the Department of Political Science, University of Ghana. And I am going to lead you through the full course, introducing you to how you do research in political science. We would start by looking at the rationale for scientific research in politics. In other words, what is the basis for we doing research in politics? So we will look at the meaning of research. The heart of university work and all research is about understanding the behavior and problems of people in the society. An understanding of the nature of the problem would enable suggestions to be made for the solutions to the problem. The ability to find solutions to the problems of the Ghanaian society depends on an understanding of the society, and the understanding comes from our ability to research. So what is research? We say research in any discipline is an intensive and purposeful search and understanding of social, political, and physical phenomena. It is a method for the discovery of true values in a scientific way. To research, that is, research, is to search and search again, to take another more careful look, or to find out more. It is not merely the accumulation and communication of knowledge, but a critical and scientific analysis of social facts and formulation of generalizations as a basis for action and foresight. Scientific research is based on taking a careful and critical look as opposed to casual observation. Scientific research assume that very often when we take a look at an event, it may be positive or prone to error. For that reason, there's the need to take a second look, a third look, fourth, and many other looks. The essence of scientific research is also based on the realization that there is more to seeing than meets the eyeball. When we observe anything, what we see differs according to what we know, think, or expect. Therefore, to observe scientifically involves previous training, experience, or knowledge. Thus, a person's biases based on what he makes of an object, and the social scientist has to be aware of such biases in order to overcome errors in his observation. When we engage in scientific research, we set out to challenge accepted beliefs by subjecting them to scrutiny through a set of standards. Thus, the social scientist is engaged in challenging old beliefs, creating new ones, and then starts a critical look at the new beliefs. Social science research can therefore correct accepted perceptions and expand it. Social science research does help the formulation of new concepts and explanations, and thus heightens our awareness of where things fit in a larger framework. Social science research also helps to expand existing perceptions in a society by formulating problems and solutions which are beyond the capabilities of common sense. For example, a non-literate society or culture may see a problem in the society as due to the work of, quote, evil spirits, unquote, or angered ancestors, rather than, quote, social deviance or social conflict, etc. The social scientist would use his research to formulate theoretical and methodological problems, and that would ask questions like, where are the consequences of political instability, inflation, lack of political parties, etc. Social research therefore helps to develop and evaluate practices, concepts, and theories of social relations, and to develop and evaluate methodologies that are used to test these practices, concepts, and theories. The main purpose of political science research is to discover new facts, and in the light of the new facts, enable the social scientists to confirm, revise, or reject the existing theories and accepted practices. Research analysis is a result of studious inquiry into a problem that might have arisen out of a felt need in society. For example, the food problem, political conflict, etc. The research incorporates new facts obtained specifically as a result of the investigation. It also gives the problem its proper values and correct interpretation, and also orders the practical application of the conclusion for an effective solution of the problem confronting the society. The research process also serves as an effective form of training in scientific social investigation. It helps the researcher to develop critical faculties. Apart from serving as a medium of training in scientific social investigation and as sources of specific problem for the state or social reform, it also provides an indispensable technique for future research workers to find out what methods and procedures of particular important issues have been used, what literature has been covered, and what contributions have been made to arrive at the solutions of the problems under investigation. In this section, so far, we have learned about the meaning of political research and stated that it is the search and discovery of true facts about a society as the first step towards finding solutions to the problems of the society. In the previous section, we have also learned about what research is all about for any society. In the following section, we will look at the need for research. We will look at why there is the need to have the tools with which to carry out research. Some activity or something to do. Give 4 examples of problems in your town or community that you think will require research to find solutions.